Welcome back, THF YouTubers and IGers. Today we worked on a Jeep Wrangler. Now what we did on this one was we installed a 2-channel halo system made by Profile. Check it out. So let's just say that we're on the job, we're a security guard, and we need to signify that we are security guards or a police officer. Check it out. We can make one red, we can make one blue. We could even make it flash if we wanted to, but we're not gonna do that because we have so much limited time on this video. We're also gonna show you that we can do it all one channel on one color, all right? You can do green, you can do blue, you can do purple, you can do white, you can do yellow. You can do pretty much anything that you really want. Guys, subscribe to this channel if you want the latest in lighting technology. Also, don't forget, like this page if you want to upgrade your Jeep at any time. We do all vehicles. It's like Burger King, have it your way. You select what you want, we'll do it for you. All right, thank you and have a blessed day.